How to connect Claude to Roblox Studio. First, make sure you have both Claude Desktop and Roblox Studio installed on your computer and sign in to both applications. Next, open Roblox Studio and create or open any project. In the top right corner, click the AI Assistant icon. When the AI Assistant panel opens, click the three-dot menu, then select Manage MCP Servers. On the MCP Servers page, expand the Setup Instructions section. Under JSON Configuration, click the Copy button to copy the configuration to your clipboard. Now switch over to Claude Desktop. Click the menu in the top left corner, then go to File and select Settings. In the left sidebar, scroll down and open Developer. Next, click Edit Config. This will open the Claude configuration folder on your computer. Locate the Claude Desktop config.json file, right-click it, and choose Open With, then select Notepad. If the file already contains text, replace it with the configuration you copied from Roblox Studio by pressing Ctrl+V. Once you've pasted the configuration, click File, then Save, and close Notepad. Now completely close both Claude Desktop and Roblox Studio. Finally, reopen Claude Desktop first, then launch Roblox Studio again. The MCP connection will be loaded automatically, and Claude will now be connected to Roblox Studio. And that's it. You've successfully connected Claude Desktop to Roblox Studio, and you're ready to start using AI-powered development features inside your projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.